Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we'll be interviewing Dr. Melissa Sanchez on her amazing treatment that could possibly end world hunger by improving on the already existing functions of the cell vacuole. Good evening, Dr. Sanchez.
Thank you, and good evening to you as well.
So, tell us about your new invention.
Well, the vacuole, first discovered in 1676 by Antoine van Leeuwenhoek, is in charge of storing nutrients, water, and substances that are harmful for the cell. It is also responsible for digesting and breaking down large macromolecules like proteins and carbohydrates.
So, it's like the storage department of the cell?
Exactly.
Okay, thank you. Please continue.
Well, the vacuole of a plant cell has additional functions compared to the vacuole of an animal cell.
Like what?
The vacuole of a plant cell, also called the central vacuole, is in charge of helping a plant cell grow without investing additional cytoplasm. It also disposes of excess water in the cell. It usually takes up around 90% of older plant cells.
Okay, so if all of this has been known since the 1600s, how come someone like you barely came along and made an amazing treatment like this?
Well, recently there has been a major breakthrough in knowledge of the vacuole. We have learned that the vacuole is not as simple as we thought it was. It is much more complicated and has many more functions than we originally knew.
What's so complicated about it?
The new study shows that the vacuole is actually subdivided into several different parts that can perform different things. This helps a cell save more nutrients for a cell in times of abundance and release in more in time of need.
Okay, wow. So how did this lead to the creation of your treatment?
The treatment works by dividing the vacuole into even more subdivisions, which lets it perform more tasks at once, which in turn makes the vacuole hundreds of times more efficient.
Wow, that is truly amazing. Well, that concludes tonight's segment on Dr. Melissa Sanchez's amazing treatment that could possibly end world hunger. Back to you, Rick.